What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? And as you can see, here we have STOR, STOR, just Capital Corporation, STOR, ticker symbol, sitting at $32.10. Today it's 20% up. I'm going to be starting straight off from the 30-month chart and see that we are basically in a bearish range here. Just tapped into that supply area, but that does not change the fact that we might just be going for these highs at 35.72. Let's come to the weekly, to the monthly actually. Monthly, pretty much the same thing. We are coming from these highs there, but again, we're just tapping into supply area. I would love to use the moving averages in this situation. We're both above them on the weekly, so that's cool. We have three, not both, but three moving averages that are below the price action at this point on the weekly too. So weekly chart, we're still pretty much coming from here. Never actually broke with the candle above that high, but we can use the intermediary structure. Why not? So we definitely broke the structure multiple times to the downside here. Like then now we shift the bullish two times, and therefore I'm looking for this to go higher like that.